How to activate Royal Bank of Scotland credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you activate your Royal Bank of Scotland credit card. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the source field, you'll have to search for Royal Bank Scotland credit card. After you search for that, at the first one, simply you can find official site of Royal Bank. Simply tap on the option the Royal Bank credit card. After you tap on that, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option apply now. And from here, you'll have to scroll down and tap on continue. From here, choose for the options like you are an existing customer of Royal Bank or you are new to Royal Bank. Simply select one and tap on next. Like I have choose for the option I'm new for Royal Bank and I'm getting the option for entering my all of the details. In your case, if you choose you are already an existing customer, from there you'll have to just log into your digital banking. After you log into your digital banking, simply you'll have to just find out the option for activate card or request pin reminder. Simply tap on activate card and from there simply you can activate your credit card. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.